Welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On today's episode, we are making a total comfort food, chicken noodle soup. This is perfect for those days when you feel a little bit sick and you need total comfort food that is actually good for you. As we all know, mirepoix is the base for most soups. We are dicing up 3 large carrots, four celery stalks, and 2 medium-sized onions. Now, in a large pot over medium-high heat, add in extra virgin olive oil. For this chicken noodle soup, we are using 4 chicken breasts. Once the oil is hot, sear the chicken in batches as to not overcrowd the pan for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until nice and golden brown. Once they have been seared, get them out the pot and onto a plate. They're not going to be cooked all the way through. We just want to give them some color. Do you see all the brown stuff at the bottom of the pot? That's where all the flavor of the chicken is going to be coming from. Then, over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter to the bottom of the pan and let it melt. Once the butter has melted, make sure to deglaze the bottom of the pot. Now, add in the mirepoix. Oh, and for those of you who do not know what a mirepoix is, that's the carrots, celery, and onions combined. Season with a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. Sauté for 1 to 2 minutes or just until the vegetables begin to soften. Then add in 4 cloves of garlic minced, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Give that a stir for a couple of seconds. Add in 8 cups of good quality low sodium chicken broth. Now bring the chicken back into the pot. Let it simmer for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked all the way through. And after 30 minutes, get the chicken out the pot and set it aside until it's cool enough to handle. While the chicken is cooling off, add in 6 ounces of egg noodles. Give it a stir so the noodles don't stick together. Once your chicken is cool enough to handle, cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Add the chicken back into the pot and continue cooking until the noodles are soft and tender. Now, this part is very crucial. Give it a taste and see if it is to your liking. If not, season with salt and black pepper to taste. To finish it off, garnish with fresh Italian parsley. And that is it. Now you have one of the most delicious chicken noodle soups. Enjoy! Buen provecho! If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please consider subscribing. Leave me some comments down below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Thanks for watching!